much for me, I cannot tell it all. If I had 10,000 tongues, it still wouldn't be enough.
Lift your hands.
Adom Ahengua.
He's done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. If I had 10,000 tongues, it still wouldn't be enough.
Dear na me betumi de ahye Awurade anan emu ana de na metumi de aka kire Awurade wo niema kesia woye no me Yaw Owusu Ansah mabrabo ene me masetna eyimo edie na me Owusu Ansah mene me yire ene me ma mene me man mene asafo me yemu adwuma mene abusua kontonchi a me frimu me hwe me busuam me hwe kwaman na me hwe atwema na me hwe osebonsu abusua na me hwe fiampra abusua na hwe bedikofi asefo a edie na metumi di ahye Awurade nyameti asefo yi anemu nye ba bia me gina ne na emo ba bia me firi me hwe osebonsu na me hwe fiampra na me hwe kwamboaten na me hwe abramponsa na me hwe bedikofi na me hwe akosia fram asini na me nim se baba betrankran na metumi akasa ewe kasafidie bi so mpo da man so da yeda se me nana ekom and watch ya no kanche ye kan se Owusu Ansah da bi baba ye sofo a begiri ye senkrofo be ka kire ne se akosia fram eja de wo keka no na nya de bebem se bedikofi ekotena ne krom asante mampon na obi Anglican and obi Anglican sofo ka kire ne se wo nana ba ko beba ba ye osofo a begiri ye senke be ka se enya adwuma ani o ebusia Bekika we no mayana me bese wo kai wunchi. Remember where you come from. Edipa nche na ne wure fine ho. Ghana si ehwe ba bia Awurade nyame te asefo e de ye ko. Ade ba bia ode ye dra. Onyame de ye di ye. Oni ye na di ni ye. Awurade ni ye na di ni ye. Mejo nyankopon Oni yere dini ye Mejo nyankopon Oni yere dinu ye Oni yere dinu ye Oni yere dinu ye
Stand and help me welcome.
Mejo nyankopon Oni yere di Obiso kanya ina nka keyboard bi ka ho a I don't need a keyboard before I can express my gratitude, my appreciation. The nyame ayama me. Menam kwa so ba me drew alajo baby traffic light akese free police for no hono kakra no a. Na me kai se last year na last 2 years me ba djuma se ya.
Welcome.
Me ba se ya no bi cross so yen. Bi cross so yen. Na nyu ono ne mistake kra. Bi cross so yen. Asani ye ka no hiti ye the draw se sia na me se Awurade woni me ne ye me Owusu Ansah ne afia drowa ene me woni ye didi se di pa ne cross so yen sa area no a me ka bra me nya me bensi bia me de ba adwuma na me draw sa kwan bra na kwan na nya se me engine bo ho a boy was na dua bi da ho no mo me ba prayer line started joy from for a boy ya kire se fe be ye den anaju de suo mu a branti wa me ba be ye nyame adwuma akwantim fi oh ya na o ka niema we mu a na wada wunyame ase ebe se bon kwantre na hwe ba bia wo firi wunyin seye Awurade amawo na wunya awade na wunya ekuru na wunya ayire na wuni adwuma na suku sika awode behwe wo mampo na den. What shall I render unto Jehovah?
For he has done so very much.
Are ya wada saudi yaw anasa ya.
Shall I render?
Join me to bless the name of the Lord.
For he has done so very much for me.
Ebia koye was surgery, fibroid, cancer, tumor bi ananka ewo nipadua mu a ebeko. Ebia odam paso. Doctors akania mabebrafa. Senya me ma de pabi chewa. Abusua kai wo ma me na ka wo papa wo mo de wo ba wi ase ehiafo bi pa ese nyame ya wadom na nyame bɔ mo ho ban na nyame hwɛ wo so a nyame ya ye bebre ama ye ni o nyame ya ye bebre ama me ne o me no nyame ne ye di ni yo hwɛ wo ma e twere nsohwe o mo kɔba hwɛ ni gie bia ya na aba wo mo nim. If I'm subscribe for me devotion and scripture I'm to one me bisa as a bribi ye rade ye na bisa as a bribi ye rade yo na and scripture and ye bisa no Genesis chapter 18 verse 14 is there is anything too hard for the Lord? Genesis chapter 18 verse 14. Ase bribiye radi na se radi ba ya mo man Ghana na so ba ya man kran ya yiri ne ya ma ni awaye ya radi ni awaye imaku memu yiwaye se nyame ya ade ma wona wantumi ankaya na na sia wo be ye boni ayefo onyame chiri boni aye ni Adano Yesu Kristo bisasa na semu ye du na mo ba yo ni awaye ya mo ba na mo ye du me free maku mo ba na mo ye du aya den na wo ba akofo kwanten kron wa ba begina ha ba damase abusia no pai be besa wo da nyame ase bie wa no adwuma nye awade mu asomdwe ni ho sika kura de betua dan enra oba bi ba me ho offer aye kura me kwa akohwe me ma wo fie no oba ese meti so ne secretary for no kasa hwe osofo asomase akeka ya am de me nam fom ho nam ho nam hwe no so my friend and number no say or how me there Kotrana ni me ne bon komo ya bon komo and I'm so ni ho na mo me pese me ne kasa on behalf of suffer so kono na nke be hia no wono na nke be hia no etia ya kasa at the end of the day me jene my number and I conference call the twitwa nkomo saa I know the man wait here was oh and I say nya hwe Yesu be wi ebe ma yen odo what way and I would hear me what de meka what would hear me what de meka me free maku e ka wo de me no aye oda wo de me hoka you own me nothing, but you own me love. You own me love. Roman phone woman and I can't pay face. You know, will be a new bika was sick. They want me a do bika a war or dom. Yamia be my enemy. Be free, my kuma and me here, Radia. And a pay, if I saw you, Radia. Mafi part to me. Baby, I will be out of here, Radia. Answer na made to me a family scripture na Bible ntino no be be so hwe de nyame aye no wabusuam o mayi mu oh he yesu we who said nothing and sabi ne kura ye mu and sabi ne kura ye mu me person ya mu am wo Facebook no mo twere no I thank God I am alive today. I am so happy for my life. I watch where I come from. Osofo Krofa, thank you. Say also wa homano so. Amanfo wa homano so ankasa. On the Facebook. Oye na sa no wa sha ma obi no obi nsusu anya bi na ono so e dia motivate no ho. Dia Awurade aye. Dia Awurade aye. Baby, I won't hear me free now. Just let me know. Oh, crying and say, well, Mabel. Also, I thank God for my life. What kind, baby? I will free. Now, bound continue. Oh, bound continue. Oh, but we say, right in the wedding year. We see dying. We need British passport. We need German passport. We need Holland passport. We need Togo passport. Then so Awurade ni wadi ni yie. Wasi si adan. Obi asi dan wantimi nam. Asebiribi ye Awurade ye na. So obefa nipa free mfuturo mu sumna so. No de na kosi ma pon ma adwa so ana. Asebiribi ye Awurade ye na. Oh my yeah. Oh hesa nura nyame ye de wa ye. Emma Ghana ma yeguno Canadian girls as I see a nyame ase. I was a Ghana for no ani na takura de for de no e. Ade bia wo de to nyame no ma oya no wada na se na wo say bisa bi ka ho ya bom ye nhua. Emmanuel Dazi, Beatrice Asamoah, Priscilla Boache, Joe Champon, Modos Facebook. Been to me, Mobomunina. Oh boy, Yaw. A Kuya Kusiwa from Pong, Edward Annam, Esther Champon, Emmanuel Panda, Onjaya Muda. Baby, I want to be so Obana Wanana after exams in Libya. Can you call me and thank God for their life? Call me, thank God for their life before I read another scripture. 0302 216 561. Oh, cry mo! Oh, cry mo! The Yama Ghana. Say Canadian girls, yachi one way. Can you thank God? They say Ghana, your home to yourself. Now, so you better Yamias. 0302 216 561. 0302 216 562. Maxwell, I'll say. Also for Mike, Owari. Adusi Poku. Good morning. One more Facebook. Okay, Mammy Colana. So, the woman so Yami Adom and Kawaka said Yami Shaw my Cron Ghana.
Yami Shaw my Cron Ghana.
The matter 1 year.
But you're from Gideon, man.
Danyamias Gideon.
But I make a free ACP.
And Danyamias when Casa him for now Casa free.
Me Danyamias say, me brother Imano, Podon Konemquahon. The Akabe 1 month now, Babetron exams now or Yaripa.
Look at that.
Now, so Nankopon Adom, Nankopon Abona Bamba, Masia, a canal. Last two papers.
Last two papers. Last two papers. Last two papers. Last two papers. Nyami ayebi. Medase. Gideon. Medase. The one so nyami Adom kan.
Nyami shira o my Ghana.
Me ba cho hwan ye.
Papa. Hello.
Me ba cho hwan ye.
Me ba cho boko de.
Me ba cho hwan ye.
Nyami shira mo wate. E mo mpai ba mo poma yende bia.
Because I will bet the nyami ase ba kasa bedamase. Me say the nyami ase. Mami change you. And the one so nyami Adom kan.
Nyami shira o man Ghana.
Me ba cho hwan ye.
Me pato Evelyn ni kasa se Delta.
Evelyn the nyami ase ma I'm afraid the nyami ase ma Ghana.
E da radia se ma am kolaya. Nyami ebua o mo amucho exam yanti asemboni bia e da radia se ye da Ghana ni nyina kra e da o masu. Parents ni nyina e da o masu. But I think back one person is trying to win it.
Well, I get complaint time. They hear me and say, yeah, then I say, TME, and did the mayor. So, you are over to me, the Akara, so the Oman, so Yami Adom Ahengua.
Hello, good morning.
Yami Adom Ahengua, I say, Yami Shra, my Cronco Ghana. Why, yes, I'm a UFO, so my next person. The Oman, so Yami Adom Ahengua.
Hello.
Yami Adom Ahengua.
Nyame show my Cronco Ghana.
Mumu bebre mu nim sane amushira mo mind tembia na wire ayi afri manum hwa ho yo na mayi afri so bacha mami nyu afri so okay me bacha wan ye
me bacha your family Mrs. Adom Ahengua.
Mrs. Adom Ahengua madam for pose ni Adom Ahengua
me bacha
yeah, then I say, what? Hey, why a good one, what? I can't watch your house and I can say.
Wonderful. Fine, Mama means to cry.
I couldn't catch us a Mama means what are you saying? What are you talking about? Wonderful. Yamishra. Catch your cruise at me, Donawate. Papa police or Dumankuma. You want one so Yami Adom Ahengua.
On Yamishra, my Concron Ghana.
Bibacha one year.
Deacon Doctor Takwa.
Deacon Danko Takwa. Deacon Bacho Danyami Asema, my friend, Danyami Asema, dear Kosubia. Hallelujah. 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 Deacon Donto, you're there, who they are calling Yamin.
Abrabom, Yamidia, we are more dorsal. Yamidia,
hallelujah. Yadawasi. Yadawasi. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
This is Assemblyman, Union Committee, and paying for MPM, Nadu Honkolati talk so. Yami, why your madum, or Marco Drew? Yami, Samuba, Yami, your madum, no Munyaka, Papa. Obinya Doya, Nyaka, Papa, Bakola in Tim, the Yankola ye bread. Obinya, yes,
oh my God. Danyamiasi, don't complain. Danyamiasi, don't complain. What do you complain time, remember? Let us discipline our mind and our heart and our passion.
Good morning.
Nyami Adom Ahengua, but just so Nyami Shra my Cronco Ghana. Aha, why I'm you free so. And in my program, I'm very strict on that. If I tell you,
Mr. Sulin, Kasafritama.
You Kasafritama, the Yamia Sema, my friend, the Yamia Sema, the Yamia Yama, or my Ghana.
The Yamia, or my Ghana, they are saying that the Mayama. And the Wayama and Kuala. Younger said, a became the Yamia, say, what the Wayama, the Bako, what you was it.
Hallelujah.
And the Bako,
hallelujah. Hallelujah.
In the Yamia, I hope a number. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Na oman kronkron Ghana so enkoso. I love that. I love that. I love that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You want to so Nyame Adom Ahengua.
Nyame Adom, Nyame Shra.
One can ya me you free so what? Onyame nhyira oman kronkron Ghana. You see, yenyina yenhia said de bia no yenye so negative minded. De bia no de ekoso enye bia ne yeka. Ba yenka nhyira owu ne nkwa wotechire mansem. Eti yeka nhyira onyame be ma na bemu e de amaye. Me dofo pa. Me ba cho hwan ne ye?
Me ba che Mrs. Philip.
Mrs. Philip. Mrs. Philip. Na ukuru an edi ankasa de say.
No, Mr. Philip.
Mr. Philip. Philip Oden. Now who your bar then why did Mrs. Philip?
But I say
Who your bar? Now what the Philip was saying? Who could way?
Philip. Phillips. Phillips.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm a baby, my 13 years or Churubi.
Oh, Churubi.
A door, so the Biamo Bob, I see now, Chimino Bomb, I didn't obey the rules here, though, you beat me at Churubi.
Jesus.
Mommy, don't worry. Everything is going well. I'm writing very
I could catch us, don't worry.
Also, Mommy, don't worry. I'm writing.
Oh, my baby. What are you talking about? Oh my gracious. Oh my gracious. Oh, Mrs. Thank you very much. You want one so nyame Adom Ahengua.
Samisha of my krum Ghana.
That's it.
One must try and do good mind.
Yeah, that's it. Auntie Julie Latte. Auntie Julie Latte. Auntie Julie Latte. Auntie Julie Latte.
Amen.
The one who wants to Nyame Adom Ahengua. Nyame Adom Ahengua. But you didn't freeze to change it for me. The one who wants to Nyame Adom Ahengua. Hey, oh, Baswa, not just what control radio on FA, why active. Because I mean, my sorry, how much I may yes, I'll be now by the door. I carry off, please, I love you. Oh, the one was on your Adom Ahengua.
I make sure my uncle.
The patch of any.
Agama.
Then Yami Asema or my Ghana. The Yami Ayama of Frey and the Canadian children. Yami who are me. No, aside the Yami as say, Takrade for Yami. No, our no, obey the Akanamayan.
The Yami as say, you Ghana, you
thank you, Lord.
Thank
you, Lord.
Sacrifice for me, baby,
thank you, Lord. 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 The one wants to man from Chatua. Radio is dynamic. Radio dynamism, no. You must be unpredictable. The one wants to Nyame Adom Ahengua.
Nyamisha or my Kron Ghana.
If I show here.
But I'll come and catch you in the castle Copenhagen, Denmark.
Kwame Kachre de Nyame from Denmark, Ghana, Fama Kwada, Fama, all the security apparatus I want to memo, a Jumapa, Yamanam one swaye. The Nyame Emma, Yamampen, the Nyame Asema Hemfo, the Nyame Asema Ankran Crea woman, the Nyame Asemame.
Onyame to me at the end of
Shadima Faka.
Now, what say a dear ratio more? You knew what the Bialada.
Yes, Lord.
I walk and on my Ghana.
Hallelujah.
A dear Ashu.
When you dear Ashu.
What is Ranga?
Yenubia.
And Waffy.
In my enemy was
my own son to my pack.
Carado Shaga.
And so a impo.
Take it again.
Security agencies,
Karomo Sikata Guze, Leba Baku Saka. Hallelujah. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Kadoshi Gabaha. Yatobariha.
Owusu Ansah
yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Amen. Because I need it, and I need it. I need it more than cars. I need it more than buildings. I need it.
National Bishop. National Bishop.
Hey, Yaw Owusu Ansah bini e. Atwasa kireba. Baby, I will be on baby, I will be on a join me. Let us all thank God. Send you anyone you are not there, radius, and I'll come back with you. I'll come back again. I'll come back, Nefe. I can be no sorry. I come. Radia man kwadani be a senior high and FABC for also etwaso. Yamiama wa senior high no bebre abefie wo matwero exams awie. And FABC for so etwere. I be wie china ya de ye all night kase ba ko a the friend never again that the young people the youth the bia mo nko mo chida ye man so am ko school pon mu am so awie am so abafie from the university, from the senior high, and from the other side. So we are meeting on Ochina. We are meeting on Ochina Anajo. We are about to now Benkraha. Join us. You never again all night.
Sir, and Colano Bebre, Omo Aviesa, Omo Kobo Jams, near the other. Yeah. And that
is why we have to direct them to the presence of God.
That's
right. I see, I don't Benjamin. I say, no one will say, I'm in a boa. Parental responsibility.
That's right.
About time be our said there. Anyway, Jumano said, could I school say no? Near true woman, the Benjamin. It's a small club. No more conquest as a hunubia. A dinson son swa beba no ebeba se wo mo daach no wa ya no atwe wo mo de wo ma Benjamin ase it won cry ha no when your opportunity yeah this all night ya ochina nyame adom nyame akọ a obekasa no onim de nyame nsa wo no so prophet Samuel Addison
na ani gene say Bishop Adansi ana wo die ne say yes our school programs here na we yi mu na wo fade no ho ma nyame and then ne wa be ye nipa kese
ono kwa manu kure na baafo awua me baafo and omo me ensa no omo nam bubu ahye no omo ne namusa and nyame apagya na be ye so kese eti nyame ya adomo a echina anajo minim ba bia wo pese wo ba no odru but in such environment wo do oba no babia and wo srane animonyam ene animtia nyame tema Samuel Addison yi and kura no wo do o ma begina nyame no agya ne na bring your children around bring them around. Security is tight.
Nyame nhira wo pa nyame nhira wo sebi enye wo ma ana se won ka se me level a me nuru ye de ene ye say na wa ma kwan na wo hira nkwada yi sa kwan yi
so da chibi me ni wiase ha Nigeria sen kwada beka say sofo bi tena ase na nakoma eda ye mrantia.
Oh my God,
that is my job.
My God.
This is not about cars, it's not about money, but said ye beya me so metimi eja legacy and you nyame frɛ and you nyame adwuma.
Amen.
Ya wo Yesu nti Awurade bema watena ase ache.
Hallelujah.
Atena ase ache amma yen. Ache Kristo die nimonyam. Ensan wakoma pa ne wadwene pa wode mo man Ghana na emu ni panti. Yehowa bema watena ase ache. Ache ni die nimonyam wo Yesu di.
Meje fa. Ya kenka kakra ana ya de akọ. Now, you're sorry in the next 2-3 minutes. Near sorry. The next 2-3 minutes. Now, David can say, Eradia, wo yi me jatani sisre ensemono. Onora be yi me Philistine yi ensem. And I saw catch David say, go. The Dikana no. And I saw catch David say, come.
Wangasejai.
We hear a ja. Was showing some kayeni in a via, obit me
hallelujah.
Okay, say, come. Na a grade a bit the witchy.
Praise God.
What's we hear a ja? A ja.
We hear a ja. With you and 7 in via, obet me a catch us a me back. Go. na awurade a ɔma yɛ so free baby abɛduru ha no obɛdi w'akyi.
Hallelujah.
You need such a father. You need a spiritual leader. No obetumi akata say meba go. Meba ko wanim.
Hallelujah.
Akura ne kan ne nsɛm nyinaa wɔse ɔhene mesrawa ade ano de wɔse de nanso so nyame no hwɛ akura no kasa wo awurade a oyi mi jata ɛni sisire obi bisa sɛ hefa ne yɛ kenkan 1 Samuel chapter 17 the verse number 37 na awurade a oyi me kadovarata awurade bi ayi yen
oyɛ no nora no obɛsa yɛ ne nan
obɛyɛ takura de de no.
Hallelujah.
Obɛyɛ Ghana.
Hallelujah.
Obɛma yɛ Ghana kwan.
Hallelujah.
Ɛkwan de asɛsɛ de na awurade no a wɔyɛ na ada no obɛyɛ.
Hallelujah.
Awurade no bɛyɛ.
Obɛyɛ.
Awurade no bɛyɛ.
Obɛyɛ o.
ɛne wɔtie ne wie no wɔse kɔ anɔpai menso megyina afidie so ka kyerɛ wo sɛ ɔso kɔ.
Amen.
Kosida no.
Amen.
Kɔhwɛ wo ma.
Amen.
Kɔhwɛ wo yere.
Amen.
Kɔyɛ adwuma no.
Amen.
Kɔgye krataa no.
Amen.
Menso megyina saa afidie yi so sɛ sɔ empotimi kan dia ene men so be ka kire wo se ababa wa kone kowo
amen
abranti ya kone konyi nsen ene wo yire nkowo
amen
koto asase ko sidan ko bia adwuma no ene ya wada yi men so me gira fidie yi so I prophesy
ene ya wada
I speak the mind of God ade biara na ya impediment hindrance and ntimi ma onko wani me Yaw Owusu Ansah be gira onyame ngosra so me ne osofo any prophetess we join our faith we speak into your spirit we speak into your body we speak into your circumstance ya kasego so say baby ani ese wontimi nko baby ani ese wontimi nya and dan wa ese wontimi nhyem yes go
yesu demo
go
yes ko
yesu demo
baby biara wo fi abayifo hyiaye me yes nya de fi abrantia na baba wa betimi akoso I speak the mind of the Lord I speak by the oracle of the Lord me kasanya me adwere ediku sunsun wo kra won sa do adwuma wo yamma won sa no won nan so I speak the mind of the Lord Adia be a hindrance. We break it. Any limitation is broken. Any limitation. Adia be a huna. Nancy Ghana intimate Kosua. I speak the mind of the Lord. I speak by the prophetic mandate. Ghana Kowanim. Amen. Adriana Bushia Kowanim. Bretu Bushia Kowanim. Ayoko Bushia Kowanim. Abushia be a Ufrimono. One yes stagnant. Adia be a natural Wujina Fako. I speak the mind of the Lord.
Hallelujah. Amen.
Na awurade ndi wachi.
Na awurade.
Bishop ne ya na odi wachi ehu hia pa. Ne odi wachi etimi ma enkrofo esuro. Ne odi wachire. Enti enya wanwa sa abrante bi bo mpa se awurade ma wonsa ni machi. Na se wo kɔ na awurade edi wachi dia. Na che se yenkonimdie nko a. Ada na Jeremiah hwɛ na chi wɔsrɛ. Awurade gyina machi. Se domberima.
De odi wachi. What you never to us.
Hey.
De odi wachi. Oh, de wataya chi.
That's right.
De oba Yehova.
Hallelujah.
De okura ye.
Hallelujah.
Apimbe to benkum.
Opintu betu ni fa. Na enkan ya toba. Ya ninkwa. Obidi ya chi.
Woso ni ya bakoa. Homba chiro. If you said de odi ya chi no, wa ya domberima. Okura jai. Ohura chiri. De odi ya chi no. Wunnim de ono na nya. De so oni me Yaw Owusu Ansah benya de odi machi no wa ye dom barema yemfa ye ni hono yemfa ye nsankara de odi machi no
na wo si Goliath domi David ne no say one umu was wa ye kana ma ye da no odome no ba hu se pap ade bidi ayi David yachi
suffer your pound
no osuro osuro de kro no edi na chi
suffer your pound
and grofo osuro de edi wachi bishop grofo osuro de edi wachi bishop and grofo osuro de edi wachi no
suffer your
pound so mesim grofo osuro de edi wachi no your pound wo
na so obi di yachi mo amotena se ye meeting fa ya ho bia no nyame odi machi no obepapa mo ni so okay my pound. God richly bless you more. Efia Bedia Con Rachel or Multimedia Client Services. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Millicent Abna Gada, Accra, La Paz. God bless you from Yaw 05. Calvary. O birthday this weekend.
Hey,
Calvary. Do you do what you know? Do you do what you know? Calvary. Awesome. Or by or tre. I was here. I love you. Or children, I may add my best share. We are Yawada. We are Ya. Obaya. Koforudia. Who's a Sunday test. Obaya. Koforudia. ICGC. Thank you very much. Ishola Badesh.